Want to make watering easy? Install drip irrigation in your garden. This is the Gator 2000 irrigation system. This is the filter and the pressure regulator assembly, which is attached to the main line which carries water all the way down the length of the garden. I've also installed a T here and brought it across the entrance so that I could put an elbow and then head down the other side of the garden. Once you've got the main line laid down, you're going to want to measure every 2 feet to punch a hole for your drip tape emitters. Notice that I am punching the hole straight down, and I'm going to turn the main line later. I've got a handy tool that comes with the kit, and then this is the emitter, which I'm pushing in with a screwdriver. And then I'm going to put in a whole bunch more down the row, measuring 2 feet between each emitter. And they're facing up right now, and as I said, I'm going to be turning this sideways once I have all of my emitters installed. Then I'm going to measure out some drip tape. I measured 1 piece of drip tape, and then I pushed the emitters down straight. I cut my drip tape to length, and then I make sure that the emitters are facing upwards. Then I screw the collar down and slide the drip tape onto the connector, and then I tighten up the collar so the drip tape is secured. So I have my first drip tape measured out, and now it's time to seal the end. So I cut off about 1.5 inches at the end, fold it over twice, and then I'm going to kind of dog-ear the corner and slide the piece that I cut over top of the end of the hose, and this will seal it shut so that the water won't leak out the end and you'll maintain pressure in the system. And there you have a sealed end. Next, I am going to measure out a bunch more pieces so that I can attach the drip tapes to the connectors, which are connected to the main line. And I'm just measuring them out. I figured out how to make it easier with a pole and some string. And oh, and there my goats are out. Once all the drip tapes are installed, we turn the water on and check for any big leaks, kinked hoses, or just anything that doesn't look right, and we just move the drip tapes around to make sure we're getting water to all of the plants. There was a lot more to this, so if you have any other questions, let me know in the comments. I have so much more to do, but so far so good.